What if I told you that two simple things sitting in your kitchen, garlic and green tea, could protect your heart, lower your blood pressure, and even help you live longer? Yes, nature has already given us the best heart medicine. And today I'm going to show you how to use it wisely. Welcome back to our channel, your trusted place for natural health, wellness, and powerful nutrition tips. If you care about your heart, your energy, and your future health, stay with me till the end, because by the time this video finishes, you'll know how 1 cup of green tea and 1 clove of garlic can work together like a miracle team inside your body. Let us start with the truth. Heart disease is one of the biggest health challenges in the world. Every year, millions of people suffer heart attacks or strokes, often without warning. But here's the hopeful part. Most heart problems can be prevented naturally with simple daily habits. Your heart is a tireless organ. It beats over 100,000 times a day, never resting, never stopping. It deserves care. And that care can begin with something as humble as garlic and green tea. Let's start with garlic, the ancient heart protector. For centuries, garlic has been used in traditional medicine from Egypt to India to Greece as a natural remedy for heart and blood health. Modern science confirms it. Garlic lowers bad cholesterol, LDL. Garlic helps control blood pressure. Garlic prevents blood clots and improves blood flow. Garlic fights oxidative stress. One of the major causes of artery damage, the secret compound behind garlic's power, is called allicin. When you crush or chop fresh garlic, allicin is released. This powerful compound helps relax blood vessels and reduces inflammation in the arteries, making your heart's job easier. So next time you prepare a meal, crush 1 clove of garlic. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to activate the allicin, and then mix it with your food or swallow it raw with warm water. Yes, the taste might be strong, but remember, every bite is protecting your heart. Now, let's talk about the second hero, green tea. This soothing drink is more than just a beverage. It's a natural elixir for your heart. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially one called EGCG epigallocatechin galate, a powerful compound that reduces inflammation, lowers LDL cholesterol, and protects your blood vessels from damage. Studies show that people who drink green tea regularly have a lower risk of heart disease and longer lifespans. It helps regulate blood sugar, keeps your arteries flexible, and improves blood flow, all essential for a strong, healthy heart. But remember, not all green teas are the same. Choose organic, high-quality tea leaves and avoid adding sugar. Drink it warm, preferably after meals, and let it work quietly inside you, calming your mind, cleaning your arteries, and supporting your heart. Here's where it gets really interesting. When garlic and green tea are combined in your daily routine, their benefits multiply. Garlic works to cleanse your arteries and reduce cholesterol. Green tea works to reduce inflammation and protect artery walls. Together, they create a synergistic effect, meaning they work even better side by side. Think of it like this. Garlic acts as a cleaner, removing harmful fats and toxins, while green tea acts as a shield, protecting your heart from future damage. You can start your day with a warm cup of green tea and take a small crushed clove of raw garlic on an empty stomach. Or have your garlic with lunch and sip green tea in the evening. Small, consistent actions make the biggest difference. Of course, no single food can do all the work. To truly protect your heart, combine garlic and green tea with a heart-loving lifestyle. Eat more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and excessive salt. Walk at least 30 minutes daily. Sleep well, and manage stress, because mental peace keeps the heart strong too. And remember, your heart health reflects your daily choices. Every sip, every step, every breath counts. Your heart is not just an organ, it's the rhythm of your life. It beats for you every second, asking only one thing in return: care. So today, make a promise to yourself to nourish your heart naturally. Nourish. A clove of garlic, a cup of green tea, a peaceful walk. Simple actions, powerful results. Protect your heart, because when your heart is healthy, your whole life feels lighter, calmer, and more joyful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Together, let's build a healthier, happier world, one heartbeat at a time. Your health is your real wealth. Protect it naturally.